Hello. My screen are visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And I'm audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today we discuss about anchor tag. As you know about anchor tag, what is anchor tag and why we use anchor tag? Anybody? Hello? Hello? As you know about what is anchor tag and why we using anchor tag in HTML.
Ma'am, basically, a anchor tag is used for linking from one page to another with the property ahref.
Yeah. A HRF, which means reference, right? Okay. So basically this is a example of anchor tag. So this is basically the HTML part. We can use anchor a tag and href, which is basically used for reference for link to another page. And okay, and if we click, so we can redirect to other page. Guys, I hope you understand this. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you know about what is text area in HTML, anybody? And what is the difference between text area and text? Hello guys, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, so please give me the answer if you know. What is text area and what is text? And what is difference?
Suppose in forms which we have made in previous classes, for using name we use text. But if we need to use to write any description or comment regarding a resume or something, then we will use text area.
Okay, nice. Like this text area, which is basically used for big text like address or message. So for this, we can use text area. Yeah, we can drag and drop this and also change the rows and column according to your content. Okay, and text. Yeah. So basically, this is when we write small text. So basically, we use text like first name. This is text. And if you know about what is placeholder,
Yes, ma'am. It's kind of hint which is given over the text box or any other boxes.
and others. Hello, and others. Please tell me what is placeholder. Guys, response please. Without your response, these sessions are not working. Please respond if you know. Okay, say yes or no. If you know about that, please say yes. If you know about that, so please say no. At least response.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
oh, okay, please tell me if you know.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so like this, first name, input type, placeholder, like name. So, like this is a placeholder. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay, so what is required in HTML? Why we use required in HTML?
No idea, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so basically, in HTML, we know that validations are available. We can apply validations in HTML as well. So for that, we use required tag. Okay, like just a minute. Okay. If we if we submit this without fill this, so it's give me error. Like please fill out this field. This field is required. Okay. Suppose in we can design a registration form and we choose the field which is required, which is important, like email address, phone number. So we can use required and required tags. So it is compulsory to fill it. Okay, and like this example, like name, uh, password, email address, and these three fields are required. Okay, Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody tell me why it's giving me error?
Ma'am, I think we need to specify the value of required also in required codes.
But it is not compulsory.
Yes, it's default. It's not mandatory, but we can try it once.
Yeah. Uh, Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
It is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So like this, we can submit. So it shows this field is required. Without this field, submit this field, we cannot proceed. Okay. So basically, that is why we're using that we are use required. Okay. I hope you are get it. Anybody any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, if you know about file select, if you fill the online form, then it's available attach CV option in form. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically we use file select and upload because we can upload from our local system. So select the file from our local system and upload. Uh, I can show you. Yeah, like this. Like choose file from your system, any file. And if you are not choose any file, so show no file chosen. And if you choose, suppose, so it shows 45 days layout or anything. Okay. I hope guys you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So related to this, I will post today one assignment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So today we is that is CSS. Guys, you know about CSS? What is CSS?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
it is cascading style sheet used for formatting our web pages.
Okay. So we are not CS, we are not use CSS. So basically it is used for styling purpose. Okay. Okay. So like we are using H1 tags, paragraph tags. So we can simply style those tags. So we are using CSS. Okay. Yeah. and Like this. First of all, we use HTML head and style tag for style the any element in HTML. So we can use style tag. Without style tag, we cannot style any element in in CSS. Okay. Okay. Like color, text alignment. Also, we set margins. We can see the other sessions, and also you close the style tag, and after the closing the style tag, like normally paragraph, like which you style, you can write in this like hello world, like p, and p, this is paragraph. So you can style this, help of this you can style these two, like paragraph and paragraph. Okay. And if I write h1, so yeah. So uh, for this, the paragraph tag is color is red and text alignment in center. So that's why uh, color is red and it's aligned in center. Okay. And
मैम,
yes,
मैम इसी इसी इसके ऐसे ही अपन टेबल को भी सेंटर में और अलाइन कर सकते हैं क्या?
tables को,
हाँ.
हाँ tables को, like we use ना टेबल टैग यूज करते हैं हम, तो उसमें हम अलाइन इज इक्वल्स टू सेंटर कर सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
Yeah. And the H1 is basically a blue color, so that's why the color is blue of H1 tag. Okay. I hope you are understand. Anybody any problem?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So guys, how we add CSS in our HTML file? Anybody know?
Yes, ma'am. There are three types of adding CSS. When we include any external CSS file with our HTML code, that is external CSS. When we used to uh, style within the header function of the HTML code, it is known as inline function. The example that you gave in previous code was a part of inline. Oh, sorry, was a part of internal CSS. Whereas if we used to do any styling over a particular tag, it's called inline CSS.
Yeah, correct. Others? Please try or give the response yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay. First, first we discuss about what is inline CSS. So basically, inline CSS we can apply only single element. You can say single line or any single element like this. H1 and suppose H1 style color is red, margin left from 40 pixels, and if we only select only H1 and we can style H1 tag. So basically this is called inline style sheet. Okay, inline CSS. Like this. Only H1. If we style only H1, so it is effect only H1. Okay. And if we style P tag using style tag, yeah. Okay. So this is example of inline CSS. Okay. And yeah,
Yes,
inter
ma'am.
and internal CSS is basically apply on single document or page. Like difference in inline and internal is like inline is used only single line or element, or like internal CSS is apply on single document or page. Okay. Um, like this is example of internal CSS. Yeah. Okay. It is apply on full document. Okay. And next is external CSS. Anybody knows about external CSS and why it is very important to these two?
External CSS we can customize it now. Like it won't affect entire page. It will affect only the particular tag which we selected.
Okay. So in big projects, we are using external CSS or internal CSS or inline CSS. Like if we design any project, so what type of CSS we are using?
It's better to use external CSS now.
Yeah. Others? Hello? Okay. So for external CSS, we can create two documents. First is for styling and other one is like normal for text. Okay. Basically, external CSS, we can select only the color and margin. So in body, the background color is light blue. So that's why it show light blue. Okay. I hope guys will understand this.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you repeat once again?
Okay. Anybody any problem till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So guys, you know about CSS selectors? What is CSS selectors? Why we are using CSS selectors? Hello.
Ma'am, if there are like many paragraph tags and we need to apply our CSS function for a specific paragraph tag, then we will use those selectors.
Yeah. So basically, CSS selector is used to select a particular element, and we can style that particular element. Okay. So different type of selectors in CSS like element selectors, ID selector, class selectors, universal selectors, and group selectors. Okay, we discuss about one by one. So first we discuss about what is element selectors. Okay, so basically element selector is used for select HTML element by its name. Okay. Hello. Right, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So basically, this is the element selector. Okay. Okay. So what is guys? You know about what is ID selector? Anybody? Hello.
No.
Okay. In ID selector, we can use hash. Okay. This is basically ID selector. So ID selector for we are use hash and the pass the ID to paragraph 1 which means p tag. So for this we can pass the ID which we are used in like hash with the help of hash. So it's the paragraph 1 that color text color is basically blue. So it's hello welcome is print in blue color. Like this. Hello guys, any problem?
Ma'am, we can create more than one IDs now.
Yes, it is possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is class selector. So basically, uh, class selector is select the particular element with specific class. Okay, like particular element is like paragraph tag, and it is particular class. So class selector is used for that, and we can use periodic character with example. Is it is not correctly? Hello, guys, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, we can particular color. We are basically using a particular class like write, and we can use in paragraph tags. So basically, the paragraph tags in align in write and color basically text color is red. Okay. Next is okay. Next one is universal selector. So basically, universal selector using wildcard characters. Uh, I know you are confused what is wildcard characters. So basically, in this wildcard characters are like asterisk, enter it, and these. Guys, it is visible now. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So for this, we can use wildcard character like asterisk, and like color is yellow. Font size is 20 pixel. Font size is according to you, and basically H1 is this is an example. So basically the H1 color is yellow. Okay. So next is group selector. So basically group selector is used for basically style provide the styling of group elements, like we can provide the color of paragraph tag, h1 tag, and uh, any other tags in groups. So for that, we basically use group selector. So basically in group selector, can we can take H1, H2 and P, and these three colors are red, so that's why the color of example 1, example 2, or the paragraph tag, which is this is very important. So these three elements color are red. Guys, if you have any query,
No, ma'am.
okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's it for today class. Ojaswini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll take the attendance. Okay. Rama Lakshmi, ma'am. Guys, unmute and speak, please.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, sir.
Present, ma'am.
Lakhan Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanusha.
Present, ma'am.
Deepak.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Deepak Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashwini.
Present, ma'am.
Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Dinesh. Dinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Divya.
Present, ma'am.
Deepak Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Venkat Karanam.
Present, ma'am.
Rahul. Rahul. Rahul, unmute and speak. Are you here? Rahul, are you here? I'll be marking absent. Please kindly unmute and speak if you are here. Okay, fine. Hari Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Sonali, 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 are you here? Okay, Janvi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Satyavani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raghav,
Present, ma'am.
Mary Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
Madhu,
Present, ma'am.
Mamta,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Duba,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so done for the day. You guys can leave. Okay, just tell me who all are absent. Rahul did not speak. Rahul, are you here? Okay, you're not here. Okay, then fine. Rahul and I guess who else did not speak? Sonali. Sonali, are you here? Okay, fine. So two are absent today. Great. Okay, you guys can leave. Thank you for joining, and we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, guys.